Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use eGovPH as a travel guide. So here I'll be teaching you how to use your eGovPH as your travel guide when you're visiting the Philippines. So all you need to do is enter your eGov right here. So all you need to do to have an eGov when you're here in the Philippines, you're gonna stay for a long time. I suggest getting yourself an eGov. So here all you need to do have a mobile number, Philippine mobile number, and an email. That's all you need, or even just an email will do. Then after doing that, or just a number also will do. But then after doing that, all you need to do is click on the tourism icon on the right corner right here. Once you've logged in, press right there. Here at your eGov right here, you may here it will give you a lot of destinations you can visit in the Philippines. Or if you're a Filipino, here are all the places that you can go to. Right, as you can see, you can put in mountain, island, camping, and all of those stuff right here. There you go. And not only that, you can use the eGov AI to help you with the location itself. But let's say you don't want to use the AI, you can just bridge, for example, click on Boracay right here. After pressing on Boracay right there, you will see all the images of Boracay and description of Boracay right here. And not only that, also the location on the map to Boracay. There you go, as you can see right there. There you go, as you can see. Now we're just gonna go back, and here we have the eGov AI for you guys. You can try it if you want. Right here, type anything you can ask about eGov. How to go to Boracay? Let's just say how to go to Boracay. Right there. How to go to Boracay or something like that. Now it'll generate your response to how to go to Boracay. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you use your eGovPH to help you with your guide in the Philippines. So there, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.